Hello viewers! Today, we are going to cover the 5 best commercial blenders for frozen drinks in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is Ninja BL610 Professional 72-ounce Countertop Blender. When it comes to frozen drinks, especially smoothies, only very few can compete favorably with the Ninja Professional Countertop Blender. In summary, it is the best blender for smoothies and making other frozen drinks. From frozen coffee to dips and healthy juices, this blender spoils you with a wide range of frozen drinks to pick from. With its 72-ounce cup, you can make drinks for the family. Although a little lower than the BL660 variant, its 1000 watts power is by any standard sufficient enough for all your home blending needs. Its unique pulverizing technology provides you with a perfectly blended mix of ingredients. This is in stark contrast to other blenders that leave little chunks of ice in the blended mix. Its ease of operation aids its blended results. With the buttons clearly labeled, the chances of pressing down a button you initially didn't intend to are reduced. One of its biggest pros is that you can easily remove the blades in the pitcher. This inadvertently makes the pitcher easier to clean and scrape off all the fruit remnants in it. The 3 speed levels of this Ninja blender also make it a darling for any smoothie lover. At the 3rd level, you can blend even more difficult frozen fruits or vegetables. Its instant ice crushing is excellent for snowy or frozen treats in the summer. Number 2. Our second best pick is Ninja BL610 Professional Compact Smoothie and Amp Food Processing Blender. This incredible blender is worthy of any best blender compilation list. Ninja products are well respected when it comes to making blenders, and this product lives up to the billing. With 1100 watts power, 3 speeds, and pulse functions, it's easy to see why this product receives all the hype in blender discussions. It promises high performance and blending quality. Thanks to its powerful motor, this blender cuts through ice, as well as it would through frozen veggies and fruits. It can pulverize tough ingredients that might need blending or crushing. It's this power that gives it the edge over the 1000 watt variant. Its single-serve blending is unrivaled. Cleaning the pitcher of your blender can be quite a hassle, especially in the presence of the blades. The fact that you can blend directly into a cup is quite refreshing. These cups are easier to clean and make smoothies more enjoyable. This single-serve function also reduces waste. This is because you can prepare the exact amount you need, measuring using the cups. It is also important to note that even the single-serve pitcher blends ice very well. This single-serve pitcher and the overall power of its motor gives it the edge over the BL610 variant. Number 3. Our third best pick is Oster Reverse Crush Counterforms Blender. This is one name that resonates with most blender users. For all it's worth, this would satisfy all your blending needs at a minimal cost. It is, without a doubt, the best budget blender in the blender department. Like a couple of others on this list, it comes with a 6-point blade system. This blade, which spins in both directions, ensures thorough crushing of ice and frozen fruits. Perhaps, most importantly, the blades do not get jammed. The 7 pre-programmed settings on the blender make the blending process seamless and a breeze through. The speed of the blade spin is, to a large extent, influenced by the pre-programmed settings. It also controls what direction it spins in. The speed levels range from a low pulse to a high pulse. It also comes with 2 present buttons, one for food chop and another for frozen drinks. With the push of a button, you could make yourself the tastiest of frozen smoothie or a chilled cocktail drink or margaritas. Although its 600-watt power is nowhere comparable to that of higher-end blenders, it is just enough for domestic use. If you are working on a budget and desire a multifunctional blender, the Oster Reverse Crush Blender is your best bet. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Blendtec Total Classic Original Blender. This list would be incomplete without a mention of this efficient blender. It is a genuinely versatile blender that can blend almost all ingredients you need to process. One of its standout features is its pre-programmed blending cycles. It comes with different blending functions, including separate functions for syrups/soups, smoothie, and milkshake. The most basic model from Blendtec is the best value for money. The 6 pre-programmed cycles were designed to blend popular ingredients. A 10-speed manual control was then developed for foods taken once in a while. Its BPA-free 4-sided jar can hold up to a volume of 75 ounces. One of the biggest perks of the jar is the ease of cleaning. The jars are quite easy to clean, hence, making the overall blending process seamless. In most blenders, you have to unscrew the blade and remove the rubber sealing. With this jar, all you have to do is drop a bit of liquid detergent, wash, and rinse. If that doesn't excite you, the fact that it is dishwasher safe should. It regularly draws comparison with a direct competitor, Vitamix, because of its blending efficiency. This super efficient blender promises excellent smoothies. In fact, it blends nearly 90% of the seeds when making a mixed berry smoothie. It owes this smooth blending to its steel blades that are strong enough to grind really hard ingredients. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Vitamix 7500 Blender Professional Grade. If this list was ranked in descending order of efficiency, this blender would be conveniently placed in the top 2. By every standard, this is the best blender for blending frozen drinks and crushing ice. Let's cut the chase. It is the most efficient and convenient to use, yet stylish in design. Although its motor promises a peak power of 2.2 horsepower, it makes relatively low noise. A housing aids the noise quieting feature. This housing is a stylish combination of stainless steel and BPA-free PVC plastic. The stainless blade present in the picture is broad and robust enough to meet all your blending needs. With powerful motors and blades, you get a brilliant mix of smoothly blended frozen fruits and sparkly ice crush. Should you forget to add a fruit while blending your chilled smoothie, its rubber lid comes with a removable plug that you can remove to add the fruit. Whether you are looking to make a regular smoothie or pizza dough, its 5 pre-programmed settings have got you covered. The settings, which offer variable control, helps you give your blended items any texture you deem fit. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.